Narendra Modi turning Pradhan Sevak yet again, taking the metro from Khan Market till Nehru Place metro station. PM Modi not only rubbed shoulders with the common man, but also became one among them. Getting to know his co-travelers. And making some young friends. Clicking selfies. Making small talk. Heading to ISKCON temple in Kailash colony, Prime Minister chose the metro over the road route to minimize inconvenience to those on the roads. His return journey was similar. This time round, Prime Minister rode home with office goers heading home from Delhi's commercial hub at Kailash Colony and Nehru Place. Acknowledging the surprised salute of a security guard, waving back at those on stations as his metro whizzed by, to even helping many capture that perfect moment when they rode home with the Prime Minister. PM Modi was at ease amongst his own. Bureau Report, DD News.